On behalf of the 1,398 wards of the North Central region, on behalf of the 25,726 polling units of the North Central region, we want to say thank you to Mr. President. Thank you, Mr. President, because you're a listening president. Thank you for listening to the concern of the North Central region and for this legacy project that's going to transform our environment. This project reflects a leadership that listens. This road has been abandoned for decades and now it's being transformed. Across the engagement that we've done in our communities, within the traditional leaders, youth leaders, the need for a safer and a more effective road infrastructure has consistently been raised. Today, Mr. President has once again demonstrated that the voices of Nigerians matters and that citizens' concerns are being translated into tangible action. I sincerely appreciate my boss, Mr. President, Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, for his responsive leadership and for continuously listening to the aspirations of Nigerian people. This project stands as a testament of a government that is committed to an inclusive development, national unity, and a shared prosperity. I also commend my godfather, the godfathers of the committee engagement team, the Honorable Minister for Works, for his dedication, who has made this significant milestone possible. This is the first time in history where you'll be having 4 legacy projects going on at the same time in Nigeria. This is the first time. Thank you. This project will benefit present and future generations. May this superhighway serve as a lasting symbol of progress, connectivity, peace, and economic transformation for our nation, Nigeria. Congratulations to the good people of North Central region, to the good people of Northeast region and Northwest region. Thank you once again, Mr. President.